Tonight, I'm going to guide you through a soothing sleep meditation that will leave you feeling refreshed and recharged by morning. As sensitive souls, we often find ourselves yearning for a deeper sense of relaxation and rejuvenation. That's where gentle, guided sleep meditation comes in. A powerful tool for calming the mind, soothing the body, allowing us to slip into a peaceful slumber and wake up feeling refreshed and renewed. As sensitive individuals, we are prone to overstimulation, and it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Our minds can be a constant whirlwind of thoughts, emotions, worries, making it difficult to wind down at night and get the rest we so desperately need. It's like our minds are constantly buzzing, making it hard to quiet down and relax. We've all been there, lying awake at night, our minds racing with thoughts of the day's events, or worrying about what's to come tomorrow. It's like our brains are hardwired to stay alert, even when our bodies are screaming for rest. And when we do finally drift off to sleep, we often find ourselves waking up multiple times throughout the night, only to lie awake again, feeling frustrated and exhausted. All of this can lead to chronic fatigue, mood swings, and a general feeling of burnout. It's like our sensitive souls are crying out for peace and quiet, but our minds are refusing to listen. But what if I told you there is a way to break free from this cycle of overstimulation and exhaustion and find deep, restorative sleep you deserve? In guided sleep meditation, we use a range of techniques to gently quiet the mind and calm the body. We'll explore breathwork, visualization, and soft affirmations, all designed to soothe your sensitive soul and guide you into a deep and peaceful sleep. These techniques are proven to reduce stress and anxiety and help you wake up feeling refreshed, renewed, and ready to take on the day. As we begin our guided meditation, allow yourself to get comfortable, whether that's lying down or sitting comfortably in a chair. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, feel any tension or stress begin to melt away. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, serene environment. Maybe it's a quiet beach at sunset, or a cozy forest glade on a crisp autumn morning. Allow your eyes eyes to gently close and feel the weight of your eyelids growing heavier. As you breathe in, imagine fresh, calming energy flooding your body. And as you breathe out, imagine any stress or anxiety leaving your body. You're safe. You are relaxed. And you're exactly where you need to be. As we continue on this journey together, allow yourself to let go of any thoughts or worries. Just let them drift away like clouds disappearing on the horizon. You're not alone. I'm right here with you, guiding you every step of the way as we surrender to the tranquility of the present moment. In the stillness of this moment, know that you are exactly where you need to be. Safe, supported, and surrounded by peaceful energy. As we come to the end of our guided meditation, take a moment to notice how you're feeling. More relaxed, more calm, and more at peace. Remember, incorporating guided sleep meditation into your nightly routine can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. By making time for relaxation and self-care, you're investing in your emotional and mental health and setting yourself up for a deeper, more restorative sleep. And when you wake up feeling refreshed and renewed, you'll be amazed at how it can transform your daily life. Thank you for joining me on this soothing sleep meditation journey tonight. If you felt a sense of calm wash over you, or if you have any favorite relaxation techniques, be sure to share them with me in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more calming content and to catch another related video right after this one. Sweet dreams.